Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is silver, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps and fog lamps and tow hooks, and over the side we have 20-inch wheels wrapped in Wrangler tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera with reverse sensing system, and a power tailgate. Interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As you move closer in the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Above we have a twin panel moonroof. Over at the steering column we have auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right are media and hands-free options. 2022 comes with B&O audio. We have AM/FM radio, sync navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity, vehicle hotspot, Ford Assistance, and 911 Assist. And below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. We have dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Our heated bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2022 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.